Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to be doing some thumbnails. This was of a fight scene thing that I was doing. I really like drawing fight scenes and stuff like that, and so I'm sort of trying to work that in here. This is an old video, by the way, but this is a series that I've wanted to do for a while now, where I'm sort of working on what exactly is going to be my drawing process. What am I going to do? You know, I don't just want to jump in to drawing right anymore, whereas that can be fun, especially with charcoal, but I sort of want to plan out the next couple of series of drawings that I'm doing, besides the figure drawing series. That's basically always going to be sort of like a secret, so on and so forth, right? But for, you know, fight scenes and for other scenes where I sort of want to tell a story, I want to design what exactly is going on, design the composition, design the overall composition of the piece and so forth. Also, I find that these types of drawing this way, it's just fun. Like, you don't have to worry about making mistakes, because that's the whole point of doing a thumbnail, right? Is to make the mistakes here so you can go and not worry about it in the final more expensive papered project, so on and so forth. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It's really short because, like I said, this was old, and I started working on it and I didn't do anything with it, and so forth. You could quite possibly, though, see these in another video, maybe a bigger project type of video. Yeah, I have more coming soon. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe. Don't forget to tell me what you think in the comment section below, and I will see you guys in the next one.